Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Dr. Jacobs. In this video, I'm gonna go over how to diagnose Morton's neuroma. The 5 signs and symptoms that's very common with Morton's neuroma. So this is the area that you're gonna usually feel the thickening of the tissue. So there is fibrotic tissue, there is inflammation, there is like a ball that feel like sticking out on this area. You can see it in this image around this area. So the first sign is thickening of the tissue, and usually around this area, and you're gonna feel it's like sticking out, and when you push on it, it feels like hardening. The second sign and symptoms, you're gonna feel also burning sensation and painful ball in here. So the thickening, the second sign is burning around this area because it's irritate the nerve, that pushing on the nerve, and inflammation around the nerve and in the nerve. And also the third sign and symptoms, you feel like numbness and tingling, and sometimes you're gonna feel it in the toes. Because that inflammation, fibrotic tissue compressing on the nerve and cause numbness and tingling sensation to your toes. The fourth signs and symptoms is the location for it, which is actually between the third and the fourth toes here. The fifth sign and symptoms, when you start to walk, you're gonna feel like you're stepping on a rock. So it feels like hard tissue that feel you are stepping on a rock. And below this video, I'm gonna leave a link for the 5 surprising causes for Morton's neuroma, and also we'll leave a link for a video on how to fix Morton's neuroma naturally at home with 3 simple steps. See you soon in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below or go to asterinstitute.com.